So parang to be part of it, I don't know, it feels amazing. Kasi dati binabasa ko lang yung Mega, tapos ngayon I'm on the cover na. Parang, ang bilis din eh. Parang dati iniisip ko lang yung parang, what if ganito? What if mangyari nga ganyan? Tapos bam, nandito na ako.
Nadine Lustre. She's the girl who really worked hard to be where she is. Success wasn't instant for her, and she was at the point of quitting and pursuing something else. She is proof that dreams do come true when you work hard enough to achieve them.
It was actually Tita Nona. Sinama niya ako dun sa launch of Travel Now magazine. Yun din yung unang beses na na-meet ko si Miss Sari. And then, pag-usapan na, why not, diba? Why not to cover, ganyan. And finally, it really came true. From the launch of Travel Now, I attended the Mega Young Designers Competition and then Pinoy Pride. And then the 23rd anniversary, and then Making Meg in Greece. Actually, nung nakita ko yung magazine, nakita ko yung cover, nakanganga lang ako. Kasi it's something different eh sa akin. As in, parang ibang klase na maging cover ka ng Mega and, diba? So parang ang daming ibang pwede. Kami yung napili nila. Yun talaga, ibang klase. First ever yun talaga. First time kong makapunta ng Greece, thanks to Mega. And of course, yung mga kasama din namin, and James, and sila Mark, and everyone. Nakakatawa kasi parang ang daming nangyari nung time na yon, and then everyone's really, really happy about the photos, about the shoot. Tapos, ang ganda lang talaga lahat. Hi, I'm Nadine Lustre, and this has been my story. What's your Mega story?